Hello and welcome to this video on Proxmox v6.1. We have a lot of new features for version 6.1 of our virtualization management platform. I am William, a computerized voice, and I will show you the highlights. Proxmox v6.1 is based on Debian 10.2 Buster, combined with the latest versions of the leading open source technologies for virtual environments. This includes a 5.3 Linux kernel, QEMU 4.1, Ceph 14, and ZFS 0.8.2. You can find many enhancements in the web interface, where many more data center configuration options are now editable. This includes the selection of the migration network, the U2F settings, and also the bandwidth limits for backup and restore, for migration, for cloning, and for disk moves. The high availability shutdown policy includes the new migrate option. If migrate is enabled, running services will be migrated to another node on shutdown. As soon as the node comes back and the services were not moved to another node in the meantime, they will move back. In the window My Settings, you can set new custom configurations. For example, your preference for the No VNC scaling mode. As a second factor, two-factor authentication, the time-based one-time password, TOTP, or Universal Second Factor, U2F, is supported. If you have installed the package IFUP-down2 of the Debian Network Interface Manager, it's now possible to change the network configuration on the fly via the web interface without a reboot. Let's create a new Linux bridge, and you will see the pending changes. These changes can be applied without a reboot in Proxmox v6.1. You just have to click the button Apply Configuration. Some VM reconfigurations like adding a CD-ROM device need a clean shutdown and start. Pending changes are marked in red. A reboot from the GUI will apply the pending changes. It is now possible to make changes to running containers, and they will be applied after the following reboot. A reboot of a running container is either possible via GUI, API, or command line interface. For example, let's change the DNS setting and make a reboot. Hot plugging of mount points has been enabled by using the new mount API available with Linux kernel 5.3. If you access your virtual machine by using Spice and Remote Viewer, you can add an audio device. Spice enhancements can improve video streaming capabilities. The new version Proxmox VE 6.1 is available in all of our repositories. Just download the ISO and discover all new features. We hope you'll enjoy working with Proxmox VE. If you have any questions, check out the Proxmox community forum for help. If you need enterprise support, go to our website for more information. Thanks for watching.